was feeding, just moving real slow. I didn't see any does with him. I've tried just rattling a little bit, grunting, trying to get him back in. It looks like he's walking away though. I need him to be at least about 50 or 60 yards. I'm hunting with a revolver this morning. I ended up not being able to get that buck to come in. He was feeding probably just a little over 100 yards away. I did a little bit of light rattling, some grunting. Couldn't get his attention, couldn't get him to turn or anything like that. So a little bit later after that, I had 3 does come through. Got a little bit of video of that. They were kind of coming through the area feeding. I think my movement spooked them a little bit. So it's evening time now. I'm set up over a 3-acre winter wheat field. You can see here. I've had pretty good success with seeing deer in the evenings on this stand. This is actually the only stand on this property where I've killed a buck before. I got him, I think, 3 years ago maybe. He's about 24 yards, got him with a .44 revolver. But the deer have been pretty consistently coming out on the edge of this field in the evening, so hoping to see some, hoping to get a shot this evening.
Map. Map. Map.
Just shot at a really nice buck. I think I may have been a little bit far right because he ran maybe 30 yards and it looked like he was kind of giving on one leg, so I don't know if maybe I was too far forward in the shoulder or the leg. I shot another time, which I could tell was a miss, and so he kind of hobbled off into the woods. I'm going to give him a little bit of time to lay down, try not to push him or spook him or anything. But he's a pretty decent looking buck, so I'm hoping that first shot was good enough. I got a little bit of footage of it. I'm going to try to slow it down and frame by frame, see if I can tell exactly where the bullet hit. I ended up getting him. He probably went about, I'd say, 200 yards or so. And Keith came in with the truck and had a pretty good blood trail. When we got up on him, I had to put another one in him because he wasn't dead yet. He was bedded down. This is bad boy right here. He's probably a 7. Got a little bit of a nub for a brow tine here. You see, it's kind of broke off. He's definitely a nice wide deer. Laid down a good blood trail for us. It was pretty easy to be able to follow through the woods. It went to some drops at one point, but it picked up quite a bit again. And We were able to follow it pretty easy.
It's a nice buck.
He's very nice. I'm proud of him. Very happy with him. I'm glad that the shot was better than I thought it was.